The global population is going to reach over 10 billion by 2100. So we're estimating that food production will have to increase by around 50% by 2050. Meat and milk products are going to be increasing every year to meet that demand. Ruminants are critically important from a food security perspective. They're the backbone of our thriving agri-food sector here in Ireland. However, that is set against the challenge to reduce greenhouse gases, and an important greenhouse gas in that perspective is methane. We have an international project called Rumen Gateway. It's led from Queen's University Belfast, and here at the University of Galway we're the Republic of Ireland lead on the project. It's a Global Research Alliance flagship project, and we're delighted that is funded nationally here by the Department of Agriculture, Food and the Marine. This is rumen fluid from an animal that was fed in a grazing system. This is the contents of the rumen of the animal, where basically feed is digested and where methane is produced. The rumen is an anaerobic environment, so we mimic the conditions of the rumen and bring that inside the laboratory. This really is where science meets farming. Essentially, we're taking samples from a beef or dairy animal and then studying the microbiomes that exist in that rumen. So we can come in here to the cabinet and we can work as if we're working inside a rumen by the addition of gases that are specific to the rumen environment, that we can actually maintain that correct anaerobic environment that the microbes are used to while they're in the animal. It's really critically important to understand that the rumen microbiome plays a key role in nutrient digestion from feed and also in methane production. So these are two key issues in agriculture. So by understanding the rumen microbiome, we can then understand the mechanisms by which they act and function at a greater, deeper level. We can potentially interrupt that process to generate new biotechnological innovations that can allow us to potentially enhance digestion of feed in the rumen and potentially mitigate methane emissions. Also, this information will contribute to the design of vaccines in the future. So potentially animals, young ruminants, could be vaccinated to reduce methane emissions by understanding the genome of particular methanogens that exist in the rumen.